how to go to the Khaolak Waterfall. We can go to this place by a bus. Let us see how shall we go. First, we start from a bus terminal near the Russian capital, Turkey. A bus driver will be direct you to the front of Khaolak Temple. Time to go is 7:13 a.m. and will be come back in 15 p.m. after that. Today we will be crashed by our province car that start from the Chaptiang Hotel in Chaptiang Muang Krang. So let's follow you.
Let's go.
Let's go.
This is Khaolak Crossroad. This place is our first observation point. And keep going straight. Let's go.
Go. This is a landmark for Ban Khaolak. Khaolak Waterfall is a new attraction of the Krang province and opened 23 years ago. This waterfall feature is clear water of natural water.
Surrounded by beautiful nature and supported by green forest and millions of rock formations. We want our visitors to visit.
There are some activities can enjoy like kayaking. There are apps like tickets, human for the service that they will ask for only per person. It's amazing apparel. Maxi, come visit and for us. Our package table trip together with your loved one and family.
Along the way, we will experience natural beauty. The forest is a rock various size, and the water in the channel was sighted, clear and very clean.
We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. I just heard you found the one you've been looking for. I wish I would have known that wasn't me. 'Cause even after all this time I still wonder why I can't move on just the way you did so easily. Don't wanna know the kind of dress you're wearing tonight, if he's holding on to you so tight, the way I did before. I overdosed, should've known your love was a game. Now I can't get you out of my brain. Oh, it's such a shame that we don't talk anymore. don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. I just hope you're lying next to somebody who knows how to love you like me. There must be a good reason that you're gone. Every now and then I think you might want me to come show up at your door, but I'm just too afraid that I'll be wrong. Don't wanna know if you're looking into her eyes, if she's holding on to you so tight, the way I did before. I overdosed, should've known your love was a game. Now I can't get you out of my brain. Oh, it's such a shame that we don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore.
After we got laughing, they are impressed with the service.
And the beauty of this love, this history was getting their final Let's invite friends to visit the Khaolak Waterfall a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you.